Let's talk about a universal mystery. How can a child who's been tired all day suddenly develop Olympic-level energy the second you say, "It's bedtime"? 1 minute they're yawning on the floor, and the next? They're sprinting naked down the hallway yelling about a banana they, urgently, need. If your evenings feel like a hostage negotiation with someone under 4 feet tall, you're not alone. Today, we're tackling bedtime struggles, why they happen, how to fix them, and what actually works to turn chaos into calm. No sticker charts, no magical lullabies, just real-life parenting strategies that make nights smoother, for them and for you. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why bedtime is such a struggle in so many homes. It's not just about being tired. In fact, it's the opposite. Bedtime is when a child's brain is wired to hold on to connection, to stimulation, to control. All day, they've been following rules, dealing with transitions, processing the world. Bedtime feels like a goodbye. And guess what? Most kids don't love goodbyes, even temporary ones. That's why they stall. That's why they suddenly remember every fact they learned in preschool and want to share it at 8:57 p.m. So the trick isn't just to make them go to bed. It's to make bedtime feel safe, predictable, and connected, so their nervous system doesn't treat it like a threat. Let's break down a bedtime routine that actually works. We're calling this the 4S system: signal, slow down, snuggle, separation. You ready? Step 1. Signal. Start with a clear signal that the bedtime transition is beginning. This can be a sound, a phrase, or even a small ritual. The goal is to alert the brain. Hey, the day is ending. You might say, let's put the day to bed, or ring a soft chime, or dim the lights at the same time every night. Whatever it is, do it every night. When kids start to associate that signal with the next steps, their brain starts prepping. Think of it like closing background tabs in a browser. It makes the next steps easier. Step 2. Slow down. This is the part where you actively lower the energy in the house, and in your child. No screens. Seriously. The blue light and rapid movement confuse the body clock. Shut it all off at least 45 minutes before bed. Instead, do quiet, calming activities. Puzzles, coloring, a simple story, listening to soft music, even folding laundry together while chatting. This is where you have to lead the energy. If you're rushing around shouting, "Get your pajamas on," guess what? You've just ramped them back up. So breathe. Move slow. Keep your voice soft. Make this part of the night feel safe and predictable. Step 3. Snuggle. Now, I know not every kid is touchy-feely. But this step is about connection, not just cuddles. It might be story time. It might be a chat about their day. It might be rubbing their back or sitting beside them while they talk about a dragon they invented. This moment is where the magic happens. Because this is when your child's brain is most open to bonding. If bedtime has been filled with power struggles or yelling, this step is often skipped, and that's where we lose them. One simple tip. Ask them, "What's one good thing that happened today?" This trains the brain to settle with gratitude instead of anxiety. Step 4. Separation. This is the part most parents dread. You've done everything right, and now you say, "Good night," and suddenly they need water, another hug, or have a question about death. That's normal. But it doesn't mean you failed. Here's what to do. Set a calm, clear boundary around separation. Use a good night script. Something like, "I love you. You're safe. It's time for your body to rest now. I'll check on you in 5 minutes." Then leave. And, this is important, actually check in after 5 minutes. Quietly. Briefly. This builds trust. Over time, they'll stop needing the check-in. But early on, it helps them let go without a fight. Now, let's say you're already in bedtime chaos. No routine, just stalling, yelling, or 2-hour marathons. What then? Here's how you reset. Start with a bedtime meeting, not at night, but during the day. Say something like, I've noticed bedtime has felt stressful for all of us. I wanted to feel calmer. Can we talk about how to make it better together? Even little kids can participate. Ask them, what helps you feel sleepy? What would make bedtime more fun or cozy? What should we stop doing? Then together, make a bedtime plan. Write it out. Draw pictures if you want. Tape it on the wall. Let them own it. When they feel part of the routine, they're less likely to fight it. Now, a few rapid-fire fixes for common bedtime curveballs. 1. The "one more thing" game. Set a bedtime box. Let them choose everything they think they'll need before lights out. Water bottle, tissue, extra stuffy, etc. Once they're in bed, the box is closed. No more stalling. 2. The fear excuse. If they say they're scared, don't dismiss it. Offer empathy first. I hear that feels scary. I'm right here. Let's find something comforting together. A nightlight, a comfort object, even a short visualization like, let's imagine your bed is a cozy spaceship. 3. The no sleep kid. If they're in bed but not sleepy, that's okay. You can say, your job isn't to fall asleep. Your job is to rest. Sleep will come when your body is ready. Takes the pressure off. Last thing, and this might sting a little, your energy sets the tone. If bedtime is where you release all your built-up tension from the day, your child will absorb it. They'll match it. So check yourself. If you're always rushing, frustrated, or dreading bedtime, it's okay. That's common. But notice it. Shift it. When you treat bedtime like a ritual instead of a battle, it becomes one. Let's recap the bedtime reset. Use the 4S system. Signal, slow down, snuggle. Separation. Create a consistent pre-bed environment. Cut screens and boost connection. Let your child help build the routine. Offer structure without panic and lead with calm, not control. You've got this. If this video helped you breathe a little easier about bedtime tonight, give it a like. And subscribe if you want more real-life parenting tools that actually work, not just Pinterest fantasies. Drop a comment and tell me, what's the weirdest excuse your kid has ever used to avoid bedtime? I'll read some of the best ones in next week's episode. Now go enjoy your evening, you earned it. Good night.